Hello everyone, myself Vandana Kharbanda from the channel Commerce Assignment Help is presenting in front of you my next video which is related to the partners capital account from the chapter Partnership Fundamental. Today you will learn how partners capital accounts are prepared. Now partners capital account. Partner's capital account has credit balance. Capital of the partner is treated as the liability for the partnership firm, for the business. And all the liabilities and capital have credit balance. So partner's capital account start from the credit side. There are two methods of preparing partner's capital account. One is when partner's capitals are fixed and when partners' capitals are fluctuating. These methods are given in the question and according to the question you have to follow the methods. But when there is no method is given in the question that how you have to prepare partner's capital account, then you follow the method partner's capitals are fluctuating. Now first I am discussing how partners capitals are fixed and how partners capitals are prepared under this method. When partners capital are fixed, then two accounts are prepared related to the partners. One is partners fixed capital account and the other is partners current account. In fixed capital account, normally the opening balance of capital remains fixed, means remains same as the closing balance. Means opening balance is shown in the credit side and the closing balance is shown in the debit side. But there are two reasons when the partner's fixed capital changes. Now look here the format of partners fixed capital account. Suppose there are three partners A, B, C. In debit side, we will prepare column particulars and the three column for amounts which are related to the ABC, and the same similarly on the credit side we will prepare these columns particulars and amount for ABC. First we will start from the credit side and we will write here by balance brought down. By balance brought down by opening balance means opening balance will be shown in the credit side by balance brought down. This balance is given in the question. And if there is no reason for the change in the fixed capital account, then similarly we will write closing balance on the debit side as to balance carried down. Normally opening balance of fixed capital account and closing balance of fixed capital account remains same, but the two reasons by which fixed capital of partners may change, one is the when any of the partner introduced additional capital, and the other reason is when any of the partner withdrew amount as drawings from the capital or capital is withdrawn permanently. If any of the partner introduced additional capital, it means it increases the partner's capital account and it will shown in the credit side of fixed capital account by cash or bank. Suppose A introduced additional capital, then in the column of A we will write the additional capital amount, and B is another partner who withdrew amount from capital permanently, then it will shown on the debit side to cash or bank. It will decrease the capital of B. The reason by which capital account decreases are shown in the debit side, and the reason by which capital of the partner increases, it will shown on the credit side. Now come to the partner's current account. When fixed method is followed, when the partner's capitals are fixed, then two accounts are prepared, fixed capital account and the other is current account. Normally, partners' capital changes, but in fixed capital account, no item is shown by which partners' capital changes. The reason, two reasons are shown by which fixed capital changes. The reasons are in additional capital or withdrawn of capital. But there are so many reasons by which partners' capital changes. And when partners' capitals are changes, these reasons are shown in the current account, like interest on capital, salary. The reason by which partners' current account changes. First of all, if the balance of the partner's current account is given, it will start from the credit side of partner's current account by balance brought down. If the credit balance is given or no balance is mentioned, means balance is given but there is nothing is written that it is credit balance or debit balance, then it is treated as the credit balance and we will show by balance brought down. But when the current balance is given and in the question it is written that the balance is debit balance. Suppose A and B partners have current account balance and there is nothing is written in the balance, it is credit or debit, then it will be shown in the amount of A and B column. But C's current account balance is given as debit balance, then in the column of C we will write as to balance brought down, which is given as the debit balance, while balance of A and balance of B's current account is given as credit balance. Now, the reasons by which current account balance of the partners changes means the items by which current account increases. In profit and loss appropriation account, the items which are shown in the debit side are shown in the credit side of partners which are related to the partners, like interest on capital which a partner receives from the firm. It increases the partner's capital, so it will shown in the current account of partners. Then partner's salary, partner's commission, and the share of profit by profit and loss account. It is shown as the share of profit. Now come to the debit side. In the debit side, normally two items are shown, three items are shown by which partner's current account decreases. The mainly two items are shown, that is the two drawings. If any of the partner withdraw amount for personal use from the expected profits, then it is shown as the two drawings, and interest on drawings if it is charged from the partners according to the date. Now the last is the share of loss. In the situation of loss, this is shown. Otherwise, these two items, drawings and interest on drawings, are shown in the debit side of the partner's current account. Now we will balance the partner's current account. There may be the credit side total more than the debit side, then the answer will be shown as the to balance credit down if the credit side is greater than the debit side amount. But when the debit side of any of the partner is greater than the credit side total, then we will write by balance carried down. There may be the situation that the partner's debit side may be more than the credit side total. Now, when partners' capitals are fixed, we learned that two accounts are prepared: fixed capital account and partners' current account. Now come to the second method, when partners' capitals are fluctuating. Fluctuating means changes. यानी कि partners' capital account does not remain fixed like fixed capital account. It means under this method, we prepare only one account, that is the partner's capital account. This is the combination of fixed capital account and partner's current account. Here is the format of partner's capital account. Similarly, the balance which is given in the question as Partners capital account balance, we will write here 5 balance, wrote down. This is the opening balance which is given in the question. Now the reasons by which partners capital changes. If any of the partner introduced additional capital, which is shown as the by cash or bank, partner receives salary, interest on capital, commission. These all are items are shown on the credit side of partners capital account, and at the end of the credit side will show the share of profit, divisible profit, which a partner receives from the firm. The reasons by which partners capital decreases are shown on the debit side, like to cash or bank. If any of the partner withdrawn amount from his capital, to drawings. If any of the partner withdrawn amount out of expected profits, to interest on drawings. If the interest is charged on the drawings from partners, and the other thing is the share of loss. It is shown in the situation of loss only. Now, at the end, we will balance the partners capital account, and we will write here to balance carried down. This is your format of partners capital account. I hope you listen me carefully, and this video will help you in preparing partners capital account. Thank you.